Okay, this demo will show Bluetooth mesh interoperability. So in this demo, we will use 3 provisioner to provision 3 vendors dev kit. Okay, let me introduce the provisioner. So first one is BlueZ. Second one is Android. Third one is the iOS device. So first one, it run BlueZ 5.49 on Raspberry Pi board, and this Android device run NRF Mesh app, and then this iOS device run NRF Mesh iOS version. So those 3 devices are 3 provisioner. So they will provision all the boards, share a unicast address, and configure the generic model of model by themselves. Okay, next let me introduce our dev kits. So in this demo we will use Nordic board, Cypress Bluetooth mesh kit, and the Silicon Labs kit. So we just not only 3 kits, we still have more kit here. You can see that for BlueZ we provision Nordic, Cypress, and the Silicon Lab. So all those 3 kits are provisioned by BlueZ on Raspberry Pi 3. Okay, for this Silicon Labs kit, it's provisioned by NRF Mesh and Android app. And for this iOS version, it's provisioned by 2 kits, Silicon Labs kit and Nordic kits. Okay, let me turn them on. To take a while because different board have a different setting. Okay, Shirley, please go away. Okay, we've already turned the board on, power them on. So you can see that this is a client. So it is a generic on-off client. So we can press the button to turn the lights on and off. You can see. Turn the light on, turn the light off. So this is a generic on-off server. So it just consumes the message, but it cannot send the generic on-off set message. For this board, it's server and a client, so it's a combo version. So you can press the button to turn the light on and turn the light off. And the same, you can use one board to turn the light. Use the one board to turn the light on, and use another board to turn the light off. Okay, this is our interoperability demo. Thank you.